Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Palak chicken biryani. It is very tasty, healthy and full of flavor. Let's start the recipe. Take mixer grinder, put 5 inches of ginger, 15 to 16 garlic cloves, 12 cloves, put chopped coconut, add kasuri methi, fennel seeds, cardamom and add fresh palak. Make sure to add 6 to 7 green chilies before grinding. Now grind everything and make smooth paste. Place a cooker on the stove and add oil. Add bay leaf. Add chopped onion. Fry until the onions turn golden brown. Add fresh mint and coriander leaves. Fry them. Add chopped tomatoes. Fry it properly. Add cleaned chicken and fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add salt to taste. Add the prepared paste. And fry them. Keep frying until the aroma comes. Add washed rice and mix gently. Add 3 glasses of water. Check salt and adjust if needed. Close the lid and whistle for 1 time. They should be looking like this. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.